Welcome to Lesson 4, Fly Forward, Turn Around, and Come Back. Go ahead, click on the projects. In My Projects, create New Project. Select Blank Template. Remove our actor. Yes. Connect a drone. Add your drone. Click on the code block, or make sure your drone is connected first. Click on the code block, and instead this time, before I remove anything, I'm going to click on the project name up in the top right here, and I'm going to rename my project Starting. So this is Lesson 4, and I'm going to click Done. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the initial block of code. I'm going to do one change in our step. I'm going to click the back button in the top here so that it saves my current progress, which is nothing. And I'm going to say Learn in Robotics, Save, and I'm going to click back on Lesson 4, click back on my code, and now I'm going to start adding my code. So from the control flow, we're going to go ahead and drag an on start, and of course, like every other project, we're going to take off. So we can find that in the library. Drag takeoff onto the screen and snap it under start. Next, just like the previous lesson, we're going to fly forward for 3 seconds. So grab and snap a forward for 1 second. Hold and press your finger down on the number 1. Change it from a 1 to a 3. Click OK. And then it's going to fly forward for 3 seconds. Next, we want it to turn all the way around and fly back. So we want it to change 180 degrees for a circle. That's half of a circle. So let's go ahead and find the turn left by 1 degrees or 90 degrees. Turn left by 90 degrees. You may use a right. I'm going to use a left. Go ahead. Hold down on the 90 and hold down now on the circle part, selecting 90, and drag down to 180 degrees. Now if you don't get 180 degrees, let's say you get 178, you can click on the 178, you can click on the number in the middle that says 178, and then you can manually change the number this way as well. 180, done. Next, we want to fly back for 3 more seconds. So since we've turned around, let's bring a forward back in. Snap that in there. Say turn for 3 seconds. And then we want to add a land. One last thing, just to reconfirm, if we say turn and we drag him onto the monster, it says turn counterclockwise. Turn turns the parrot drone counterclockwise as a specified parameter. Angle, number of degrees in turn clockwise. Go ahead, press the play button, and test your code. If I click back now, it will prompt me again and say, please confirm that you want to save. So I click save, and lesson 4 is there. If we jump back, our code has been saved.